Good day to one and all. Today we are just going to discuss, or I'm going to share the experience, the use of KineMaster. It's a free software which you can download from Play Store. The sign will be like this, K in circle. If you click this, the KineMaster software get opens. This is the first view of the KineMaster software. On right hand side you can see there are certain videos, the gist of certain videos. These are certain videos which I have made by making use of this KineMaster. These are actually the raw projects means these are not the final versions. You have to make the project first, make some editing part, and then you can convert into the video. KineMaster is having very strong feature. Whatever projects you are making, there is no need to save it. It will be getting saved automatically. So whatever changes you are making, automatically it is getting saved in the project, and whenever you want you can remove that particular filter, or if you want to edit something, you want to add certain new things, you can add or you can delete from the project itself to make the final video. On left hand side you can see that there are three red circles. Circle number 1 is media circle, second is creation of media, then the play option. Since we are going to create the one video file, I am clicking the middle circle plus to create it. The moment you will click it, it will ask you select the aspect ratio of the project. That means how you want that your video should look like. There are three options available: 16:9, 9:16, and 1:1. These are the appearances of your video, the forms of appearance of your videos. In academic, we always prefer 16:9, so I am selecting the same 16:9. The moment you will select 16:9, you will enter into your gallery. Now this is my gallery folder where I am having all videos and photos. From there, I have to select the videos which I have to make it. I have made two videos. One is only the 30 seconds video, which is introductory video, where I have shooted myself. I spoke something about the topic which I want that my final video should show in the first one, and then another one is a PPT. So the first video is in my camera folder. You can see that on the first line the last option is camera folder. I am clicking that. The moment I click that, then all the video folders in my camera is appearing on my screen. I am going to make use of the first one. So the moment I'll click first, now you can see that in the down bottom the red timer has appeared, 29.765. This is called as playhead, and on the left hand side my video has come. Okay, so my video has been selected by the system. Now I have to add the another video which is in the another folder. So what I will do, I'll go back, and it is in my screen recorder folder, which is again on the first line. So I'm just clicking my screen recorder folder. There are three files. I'm going to make use of the first file. So both the videos have been come on the playhead. Now again I'll go back. Now this is the main screen where I wanted to come back. This is the main KineMaster media screen. Now both the folders, both the video files are on the left hand side. I have to bring them on the right hand side of the playhead. So what I will be doing, I'll just drag it to the right hand side. Simply I'm dragging it. So everything has gone to the right hand side. Now this is my first video. I'm just playing it. There is option play. You see that option play has.
Good day to one and all. Marketing is very interesting subject.
Now you might have seen that I have wasted initial 2 seconds. In fact, you can say 1.5 seconds I wasted. I was just smiling. That was no need actually. So I have to delete that particular part. To delete that particular part, what I have to do, I have to select the video from the playhead. Just make a finger touch. Now my video has been selected in the yellow box. I have to delete my initial some 1.30 seconds. So I am just dragging the video from right hand side to left hand side. You can see the time is also getting changed. I have to move till 1.33. I think this is sufficient. Now the left hand part I have to remove. The moment you select like this, automatically right hand side will show you some options. You can see there is one Caesar appearing. Caesar means editing part. So I'll just click the Caesar button. Now again it is asking what part I have to trim. The first part says that trim to left of the playhead. That means whatever options are appearing on the left hand side of the playhead, whether I want to remove that. And the another option says that trim to right of the playhead. That means on the right hand side. Right hand side I want, but on the left hand side I want to delete. So I'll just clicking the first option, trim to left playhead. So the moment I'll click it, it will get deleted. Now again I will come back to the main screen, and again I'll see that how it works.
Good day to one and all.
Okay.
Marketing
So now it is proper. But again, this is very boring type of, only the small screen is there, and nowhere my name, nothing is there. So what I will be doing, I will add my name into this. How I can add? On the right hand side, a big circle is appearing. In this big circle, there are 4 options. Option 1 is media, then audio, then voice, and then layer. I will go to option layer, then I will select the option text, that is T. I will write whatever I want to appear on the video. So I'm just writing my name into this, and how it will be appearing. That's my name, then my designation, and then I'm writing my college name. So okay, now it has come over here. I can move it anywhere. I can move it to the bottom, I can move it to the upper side, left hand side, wherever I want to. Let us say this is a particular place where I want to. Okay, so this will be appearing like this, but again this is little boring. So what I can do, again on right hand side you can see that some options are there. I'm just clicking it upper side and going to background color. After going to background color, I have to enable it. Now the background color has come. That means the white option will be seen properly. Then again I'll come back. Okay. Then again on the right hand side, I'm just sliding it upwards. There is one more option called as animation. I'm clicking the top option, animation. Animation may, if I am selecting fade, then my name will appear like this. If I am clicking pop, it will appear like this. Slide right, it will be like this. Slide left, slide up, slide down, like that. I can. So I think slide up is okay. So slide up I am making as a correct word. So again I'll go back, and then again go back. Let us see how it looks like.
Good day to one and all. Marketing is very interesting subject for all kinds of commerce students.
See, this particular name has come. Again this particular slide looks little boring. What I will be doing, I'll select the video. Again the video which is appearing in the playhead, I'll just click it. It has come in the yellow box. Now again options have come. I'm going to clip graphics. From this clip graphics, 6-7 options are available to me. Let us say I'm selecting this powerful as my option. So powerful, again I'm having 4 options how my video should look like. I'm selecting the first one. Okay, so my video will look like this. Stars will fall from upper side. Or I can go to sentimental. If I go to sentimental, again I have to select any this thing. So the video will look like this, or it will be looking like this. Now another text is option. Text is asking. Text means I can write over here the topic's name, or I can even select any other option where there is no need for putting the text. So this is how it will come. So let us say I have selected this theme. Again I'll go back. Now again I'll play it.
Good day to one and all. Marketing is very interesting subject for all kinds of commerce students. Marketing is the
Now see this, my name, it is appearing only for few seconds, and let us say I want this particular name should be appearing for all 30 seconds. What I will do, I will select this particular line from the playhead, and then simply I will drag it. I will drag it till I want this particular name to be appearing on my video. Simply I'm just dragging it. Wherever you want, you can stop it. Okay, so it has come. Now again I'll go back. It is there only. Let us play.
Good day to one and all. Marketing is very interesting subject for all kinds of commerce students. Marketing is the process where the marketers are making their strategies.
Okay, so we have learned that how to combine the two videos in the same playhead, and then how to remove the particular unnecessary part. Even in between also you can reduce the parts, and we have learned how to add the animations to the name appearing. Now again this is not looking quite good, so again I am making some changes into that. I am just selecting the videos. After clip graphics there is another option, speed. Speed will give you the choice how fast you want the video should run. If you have recorded video in a very slow volume or in the slow motion, you can increase the speed. For example, now it is 1, I am just increasing to 1.5. Now let's go back and let us see how it is working. See that.
Hello one and all. Marketing is very interesting subject for all kinds of commerce students. Marketing is the process where
So it is very funny. So again I am going to speed option and I am making it again 1, which is my original speed. Similarly you can even reduce it. Let us say I am reducing to 0.5. Again go back and let us play. So this is how you can make slow motion or fast motion of your video. Again I am selecting it, I am going to speed and I am making it again 1. And whatever things you are selecting or you are doing, automatically it is getting saved in the project itself. Okay, so this is how I can make use of the speed. Then there is more after speed there is one option called as reverse option. Reverse option means your video will go in the reverse form. Whatever things that happen at the end, it will start from the end itself. So let us say if you are having a glass in your hand and you are throwing that particular glass, finally the glass will get broke. This is how you can record. You are throwing the glass and glass is getting broke. So after recording, after putting in the KineMaster, if you click the reverse button, your video will look like that the glass is already broken. It is compiling into the glass and it is coming back in your hand. This is how the reverse option is working. So if you want to make some very interesting video to show some demonstration about any kind of strategy or any kind of topic, you can make use of the option reverse. Then another option after reverse is rotate or mirroring. Sometimes when we are recording the videos in the selfie mode, everything goes in the mirror form or in the reverse form. We can rotate it. So let us say I'm rotating this into this way. Okay, then mirror image. This is how I can make it. I think this is better, so I'm just making use of it. So okay, this is how the rotate and mirroring option will work. Then color filter, actually some options are, you can see that basic is only available for us, it is free. Others are having some yellow mark, that means you have to pay some money to them, then only it will work. So I'm just making use of the basic. If I'm clicking this, it will go in black and white form, otherwise this form, this. So this is how you can make use. Okay, I think this is okay. So I'm just coming back, then again I'll click.
Good day to one and all. Marketing is very interesting subject for all kinds of commerce students. Marketing is the process where the marketers are making their strategies based on consumer.
Okay, so after color filter, next option is adjustment. Adjustments are paid. That means, if you want to increase the brightness, contrast and all, you have to make money, because everything is in the paid form. Certain items are free, but I think the contrast, color and all, everything is okay in this video, so I'm not touching this particular part. Then EQ stands for equalizers. If you click this, it will give you n number of options about your audio which is already recorded with the video. If I am clicking bass, you see how the voice is coming.
Marketing is very interesting subject for all kinds of commerce students.
I can make use of jazz,
Good day to one and all. Marketing is very interesting subject.
or I can make use of natural.
Good day to one and all. Marketing is very
So I think natural is okay, so I'm just clicking my button over here and I'm coming back. After that, this voice envelope is not very much used for academic videos. I'm just removing. I'm not touching this particular part. Even the reverb is also not very much useful for us. Then this voice changer. Sometimes this voice changer we are using it. if I if some particular part you want to make in the voice of the kid, so what you can do that you can go to the voice changer and you can select it, like over here the kid option is available.
Good day to one and all. Marketing is very interesting subject for all.
Marketing is very interesting subject for all kinds of
Robot,
Marketing is very interesting subject for
woman.
Good day to one and all. Marketing is very interesting subject for all.
Since this video doesn't require any change, so I'm selecting normal and I'm coming back. So this is how you can change your voice. Then Vignette is also not much used for the educational purpose, so and it is paid form also. Then last option is extract audio. Extract audio means you have recorded some audio along with your video and you want to detach that particular voice from entire video. You can go for extract audio. So you have to select the video, then go to extract audio. Your video will become the entire blank video. There will not be any voice. Then you can dub it and then you can make the final video. That is extract audio. So the film industries, they are making use of it. They are snatching the original voice from the video and then they are making use of the dub of this. So these are the options which are available for video. But again, this particular video is not a very affecting or very interesting video for the students. So what we can do that we can add some background music into that. So what I will be doing, on the right hand side the second option is audio. If you click this button audio, it will open up all your music files which are there in your system. These are music files which are there in my mobile phone. I have downloaded one background music called as motivational background music. I want to add that as a background music. It's there, motivational background music. I'm just clicking it. This will be the background music which will go along with the video. So there are two options again. One is plus. The moment you click the plus, it will get added. You can see that in the playhead now the green particular line has come with the motivational background music. So that entire video, entire audio has been added to the video itself. So along with the video, the particular background music also will go hand in hand. You see that?
Good day to one and all. Marketing is very interesting subject for all kinds of commerce students. Marketing is the process where the marketers are making their strategies based on consumer. As far as this video is concerned, they are going to cover about the topic consumer.
Okay, so this is how you can add. Now if you feel that the background music voice is very high, so you can select that particular background music. The new slide will come on the right hand side. There is one more option available. This speaker is there. Select this and then you can reduce the volume. It is 100%. I'm just reducing it to 50%. Let us say, okay, I'll go back again, I'll play.
Good day to one and all. Marketing is very interesting subject for all kinds of commerce students.
You can hear the background music is in a very low form. This is how you can increase or you can decrease it. But this particular background music is only of 3 minutes and my entire video is of some 18 or 19 minutes. So you can add one more background music after this. The same file also you can repeat or you can add the another background music after this. So this is how you can make use of the audio. Then the third option is voice. Voice means you can record your voice live. After playing the video in the KineMaster, you can record your voice. This is how you can make use of the voice option. Then the last thing which I want to share with you, that is how to delete the last part. I'm just going towards the last slide, last few seconds. You can just hear it.
Thank you so much.
Sorry, once again.
Their brand. This is all about consumer behavior. Thank you so much.
See, after saying thank you so much also, certain things are there, few seconds are there for that the slide will go on. I want to remove that particular part. So what I will do, I will select the video. So it has come in the yellow form. Already playhead is there at the particular point. I will go to the Caesar option. Now Caesar is asking me which part I want to delete, whether the left hand part or the right hand part. So of course right hand part is my end part which I want to remove. So I'm just clicking the second option, trim to right of playhead. The moment I will click it, it will go away. Now again few past seconds I'm just playing it. I'll go back, then play.
Or their brand. This is all about consumer behavior. Thank you so much.
So with this the slide gets over. This is how we can make it. So if you have made any kind of mistake even in between the slides or in between the video, even that part also you can identify. Just keep the playhead, select the particular part and then go for the delete option. Now there is one more thing. Let us say if you have applied some filter, I'll just show you one demo. On this video I'm going for let us say this clip graphic, and I don't want this particular clip graphic. I want a simple video. On left hand side you can see there are 3 dots and there is one more sign which is the sign of undo. So if anything which you have done mistakenly or by with error you have added some filter and you don't want to save it, you can click the undo option. It will go away from that. Otherwise this particular project will be get saved like that only. Now if I want to make the full video or the final video, what I can do, I can come back to the main slide. When you come to the main slide, you can go for the share option. Then from share you can convert this particular file and you can share anywhere. KineMaster will ask you to pay some money, but again it will give you the option. If you want to go for the free version, you can go for the free version. This is how you can make your videos in the KineMaster. I hope this particular video will help you to make some editing task easy for you. Thank you.